Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting a reminder in the ClickUp mobile app. Whether you're new to ClickUp or looking to streamline your task management, this guide will help you stay organized and on top of your tasks. First, open the ClickUp app on your mobile device. Next, tap the Create button located at the bottom center. Then select Reminder from the options that appear. After that, choose the desired date for your reminder. Now, add the specific time for the reminder. Once you've set the time, tap Done to confirm. Following that, enter a clear and concise name for your reminder to help you identify it later. Finally, tap Create to save your reminder, and that's it. You've successfully set a reminder in the ClickUp mobile app. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your productivity with ClickUp.